So this is just an example. Rates are challenging to like really drill down and calculate accurately, and this is a simplified assumption, you know, that you're just running all your flower rooms basically at full blast all year long. It doesn't consider if you're dimming for the first few weeks, dimming for the last few weeks. Just an illustrative example here. So let's say you had 500, 640 watt LEDs flowering fixtures in your facility, and you were able to dim them to 50%. That's all that was being asked of you. The summer demand period, they say there would be a maximum of 8 events lasting 2 to 3 hours each. So if you dim all of these fixtures to 50%, you're looking at about 160 kW demand reduction just in lighting. There could be some additional HVAC savings there, potentially. It's not a very long event. And this particular offering is $35 per average kW reduced for the season. That would be $5,600 for the summer. If you're able to do that over the winter season as well, it's $25 per kW. So you'd be looking at $9,600 per year paid to you from the utility to dim your lights to 50% of their output for a maximum of 39 hours across the entire year. So as a cultivator, is it worth it to you to dim your lights for 0.4% of the operating time of your flower rooms for $9,600? Are you going to lose $9,600 in product, in output, by reducing to 50% for 39 hours? I would think not. I would think that that would have a negligible impact on the annual output of your facility. But I haven't done that level of math. But this is just to illustrate, you know, that there are, you know, real savings or real incentives to be had here through not a huge ask. It's you get 24 hours notice. As Gretchen said, you can opt out if you're at some period in your cultivation cycle where you're like, I don't want to touch anything. You don't have to participate. You do have to do a minimum number each year to qualify for the incentive, but it's never, you know, forced on you.